guys, I'm outside here at Tipsy Scoop. My favorite is the ice cream parlor or barlor here in New York City on East 26th Street. Want to check out and see what they're doing for Valentine's Day, which happens to be my birthday. So I've got my ID. Let's go. Hi guys, I'm here with the owner of Tipsy Scoop, the lovely Melissa Tabs.
Thanks for coming back.
Of course, thanks for having me. I'm so excited to be here and check out what you're doing for Valentine's Day. It's my birthday, so I can't wait to celebrate. And
awesome.
I'll have to come back in again.
Yes.
I'll probably come in multiple times that day.
You'll have to come in for your free birthday ice cream shot, which we also do on
Oh, great.
Yeah.
I'll take you up on that for sure.
For Valentine's Day, we're doing a sundae that is strawberries, chocolate, and champagne. We think those are like the three staples to a good Valentine's Day dessert.
Love it.
So they'll be served in these little champagne coupes that are rimmed with dark chocolate. We're going to put in here our Strawberry Kiss Martini ice cream.
Love it.
So that's made with fresh strawberries. It is an ice cream base infused with whipped cream vodka and chocolate liqueur. And then we have some fun toppings to add.
Oh, great. I'm so excited.
So if you're hungry.
I'm definitely hungry.
Okay, good.
I eat ice cream for breakfast, so
Yeah,
it'll work.
I mean, perfect breakfast.
And how much alcohol is in like a scoop of
So all of our ice creams are up to 5% alcohol by volume.
Okay.
So they actually do hold an alcohol content.
Right. And bring your ID, everybody, when you get here.
You do. Alright, so we're going to start with just a scoop in there. We're going to kind of wedge this
Jelly belly.
Jelly Belly, you know, little bottle of jelly beans in there. So those are actually champagne jelly beans. So I've seen some people kind of open them up and put them on the sundae, or you can just kind of eat it at the end.
Perfect.
Yeah. So it looks small in the beginning, but it's actually quite a bit. And then I have these amazing strawberry gummies, which we can't get enough of these little fruit gummies.
So this will be available for the week or the day?
Yeah, so we're actually going to start in February.
Okay.
Because, you know, people are already starting to think about Valentine's Day.
Right, great.
Sick of the cold and ready
This is a really great cheap option, by the way, because as somebody who has a birthday on that day, it's
oh my gosh,
prefix menu.
I'm sure. So another
That's awesome.
Instagrammable sundae. The alcohol flavor is somewhat subtle. You know, it is whipped cream, vodka, and chocolate liqueur. But you definitely get that kind of buzz at the end there. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna eat more of that later. I'm gonna definitely come here for another one of these.
Yes, on your birthday.
And cheers to your success, and thank you so much for having me.
Thank you.
All right, thanks.